Welcome back to my dear students. Today I am going to start very most important reagent, that is role of ammonia. जब पूरे ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में अमोनिया आता है तो कहीं भी आप देखोगे जब अमोनिया का रिएक्शन किसी रिएजेंट के साथ होता है तो उसका प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा। तो जैसे आप देखते हो कि अमोनिया जो है ये क्या है, बेस है। तो बेस है तो ये क्या करेगा, स्लाइटली एसिडिक और एसिडिक सब्सटेंस के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा एंड इट फॉर्म्स सॉल्ट। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं, जैसे 12th क्लास में फर्स्ट चैप्टर है आपका हेलो एल्केन एंड हेलो एरीन्स। तो जैसे एल्काइल हैलाइड, जिसको हम लोग हेलो एल्केन भी कहते हैं, व्हेन एल्काइल हैलाइड रिएक्ट्स विद अमोनिया इट फॉर्म्स प्राइमरी अमीन, बट along with that it forms a mixture of secondary amine, tertiary amine and quaternary salt of amine. So for example, if you take if you take RX plus ammonia NH3, so it forms RNH2 plus R2NH plus R3N plus R4N plus X minus. So it gives a mixture of product. Second, if alcohol reacts with ammonia, it also forms a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amine, but it doesn't form quaternary salt because alcohol is less reactive than alkyl halide. Like that, next one, the most important thing, when aldehyde and ketone, that is carbonyl group containing compound, reacts with ammonia, so it forms addition product with removal of water molecule. In general, if you take RCHO plus NH3, so it is what? RC double bond OH plus NH3. So removal of water molecule takes place. So you will get RC double bond NH, because 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen is removed from carbonyl group as a water molecule. But the most important thing, when formaldehyde reacts with ammonia, so you will expect the same product, but it forms urotropine, or it is also known as hexamethylene tetraamine, that is HCHO plus NH3. So 6 molecule of formaldehyde plus 4 molecule of ammonia, it forms CH2 6 times and 4. So in competitive exam they ask you, when formaldehyde reacts with ammonia, which of the following product is obtained? So generally what we think as similar to that, imine, I-M-I-N-E, imine. But in this case it forms urotropine. And they ask how many methylene group, CH2 group, is attached with each nitrogen atom in urotropine. So they will give you the choice 1.5, 4, 3, 2. So in that case, if you don't know the structure of urotropine, then it is very difficult to decide, but you can use the common sense. नाइट्रोजन की वैलेंसी क्या होती है? 3 होती है। तो इसका उस कॉमन सेंस के बेसिस पे इसका आंसर 3 होगा। लेकिन जब आप स्ट्रक्चर लिखोगे तो इसमें जो है वो ट्रायंगल के तरह से लिखो, और हर एक ट्रायंगल का जो वर्टेक्स है, उसका जो साइट है, उस पर एक एक नाइट्रोजन दो, और बीच में समझ लो आपके ऑर्थो सेंटर पे एक नाइट्रोजन है, और हर एक 2 नाइट्रोजन एक CH2 से अटैच है बीच में और एक साइड से। सो इस टोटल ऑल टुगेदर कितना हो गया? 3 हो गया। मतलब हर एक नाइट्रोजन की 3 वैलेंसी CH2 से अटैच है। सो ईच नाइट्रोजन एटम इज अटैच्ड विद 3 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ मिथिलीन, मीन्स 3 मिथिलीन मॉलिक्यूल इज अटैच्ड. Second, when all other aldehyde except formaldehyde reacts with ammonia, it forms IMINE, imine. Like that, when acetone reacts with ammonia, it forms diacetoamine, not like imine, but other than acetone, it forms imine. Like that, when benzaldehyde, so in this case also the 3 molecule of benzaldehyde reacts with ammonia and it forms hydrophenyl benzamine. Like that, this is the most important reaction. Next one, if you take the next group, that is carboxylic acid. When carboxylic acid reacts with ammonia, you get amide. So first you will get RCOH plus NH3, so it forms RCONH4. When it is heated, it gives RCONH2, so that is amide. So in this case, in the first case, in case of haloalkane, haloarenes, then second, when alcohol reacts with ammonia, in third chapter of your 12th standard, aldehyde ketone and carboxylic acid, when it reacts with ammonia, it gives different product. So ammonia is very important reagent, and you have to very careful when it is a specific reaction like formaldehyde, acetone or benzaldehyde. That is the first member of aliphatic and aromatic aldehyde as well as ketone. So you will get different product other than imine. So in this particular video I would like to discuss only the role of ammonia, and in the next video I will consider the most important other reagents which will be very useful for your NEET as well as IIT exams. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Share, and most importantly you subscribe it. Send me your feedback, comments. So if you want, I can provide you your doubts. I will reply your doubts. I will try to clarify your doubts, whatever doubts you have. At the same time, try to subscribe this video because it will be very useful, and then in the next video I will try to provide some role of most important oxidizing agent which is especially useful for your competitive exam. Thanks a lot. Thank you.